Attention realtors. Are you struggling to make those listings pop? Let's face it, first impressions matter. A clean, inviting home can be the difference between a swift sale and a lingering listing. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. Proudly veteran-owned and operated right here in San Antonio. Our professional cleaning services are tailored for real estate professionals looking to enhance property appeal. We offer reliable, flexible cleaning with quick turnaround times, ensuring homes shine just before open houses or buyer visits. Imagine walking into a property sparkling clean, allowing potential buyers to envision their future there. We focus on the details that matter, and our expert team will help improve your property showings, leading to faster closings. Here's a quick tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit, bright space makes the home feel warm and welcoming, highlighting its best features. Elevate your listings today with TidyTex. Check the video description for our contact details, including our website and phone number. Let's get those homes sold.